Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a foundational literacy lesson. We're going to be continuing to talk about phonics for uh, non-native speakers and non-readers of English. And today we're going to talk about the sounds for M, N, and something called the nasalized A. Okay, so see if you can remember. This is just a quick review of the sounds that we've learned in the last two videos. So go ahead and read these or make the sounds associated with these letters and then restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
S, A, T, P, I, F.
Right, and now listen and we'll check off the sounds that you hear. I'll play it twice. You can try it the first time on your own, and then the second time I'll check them off to show the answers.
T, A, F, S, I, P.
Okay, this time I'll mark them as the sounds are made.
T, A, F, S, I, P.
All right, and now you're going to review the words. First practice sounding them out and then saying them as a full word. Again, try these on your own, and then when you're ready to hear the correct pronunciation, go ahead and restart the video.
T, A, P, tap. F, I, T, fit. P, A, S, T, past. I, T, S, its. S, A, T, sat. F, I, S, T, fist.
All right, so now we're going to talk about the M sound. So again, here is the method for writing both the uppercase and the lowercase m. And be sure and check the mouth position for making the sound M. And then listen and repeat. Be sure to speak out loud.
Mmm. 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 Milk. Mmm. Ah. T. Mat. T. I. Mmm. Tim.
All right, now try sounding out these words on your own, and then when you're ready to check, you can restart the video.
Mmm. Ah. T. Mat. T. I. Mmm. Tim. Mmm. I. S. T. mist. M, a, p, map.
Right, now we'll try the N sound. So here again is how we write the letter N. And be sure you check the mouth position for making the N, and then listen and repeat out loud.
N, N, N. Nose.
Right, and we're going to look at where we use the N, either at the beginning or the end of a word.
N, a, p, nap. P, I, n, pin.
Right, now practice sounding out these words, and then restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
I, n, pin. T, I, n, tin. N, I, p, nip. F, I, n, fin.
Right, and now we have what we call the nasalized A. So again, we'll just review how to draw the A, and then just listen carefully to how the nasalized A sounds.
Man. A, a, a. Apple.
So man, the A plus the N or M gives you the nasalized A, and um, with apple, it's just the regular A. It's a very subtle difference. It may be a little difficult to hear, but again, just pay attention to the mouth position, because with apple, your mouth is going to be open much wider than with man, man. So the, out, the mouth is not open quite as wide when the A is followed by an N or an M. All right, so now we'll practice. We can use the nasalized A either at the beginning or the middle or in the middle of a word.
M, am. S, m, Sam.
All right, now see if you can sound out these words and then restart the video when you're ready to check the pronunciation.
F, n, fan. T, n, tan. P, n, t, s, pants. S, t, m, p, stamp.
Okay, again, sound out these words and then listen to check.
S, m, Sam. m,
a,
n, man,
a,
n, pan, n, a, nap,
a,
n, an,
a,
n, t, ant,
Okay, here are a few more. Let's try to sound these out and then restart when you're ready to hear the correct pronunciation.
t, I, n, tin,
a,
m, am, t, I, m, Tim, m, a, t, mat, m, a, p, map, I, n, in.
Right, now listen and write down the words that you hear. Play it the first time through so you can try it on your own, and then I'll play it again and fill in the answers.
Fan, pants, stamp, nap, map, sin, fan, pants, stamp, nap, map, sin.
Alright, now read the words below and listen and check. So remember, these are sight words. You can't sound them out, so you just have to memorize these.
Said, on, I, is,
Right, then read the sentences, and then we'll listen.
I am Sam. Sam is a man. I am Tim. Tim naps.
Okay, practice reading out loud a few more sentences, and then listen.
An ant is in the pan. A map is on the stamp.
Alright, so we're going to look at the pictures and read the story, and so then we'll listen.
Tim sat. Sam sat on Tim. Matt sat on Sam. Tim, Sam, and Matt sat.
All right, so now read the story again. You can listen and then read, or you can try reading first and then listening to check your answers.
Tim sat. Sam sat on Tim. Matt sat on Sam. Tim, Sam, and Matt sat.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.